everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to start your YouTube channel that gives you a security of income. Uh, we all using YouTube as a content consumer, but it's a time to be a content provider. Don't miss don't miss this opportunity in your life because one step one step towards YouTube and becoming content provider will change your all life in coming future. So how we can start our YouTube channel? Like, we all have different personality and we can create content on different needs. Like, first of all, if you don't want to think more about needs, then you just start your daily vlogging, what you think, what you learn in a daily basis, what you do in the daily basis, where even you can share your traveling vloggings. So this is the one of the easiest way to start content creation. And yeah, apart from this, if we really want to be a content creator on YouTube, so we have to do some searches, like what is going on nowadays, what content, what kind of content is people consuming more. Like, shorts are the one of the very high level content, which is shorts are one of the most popular content which is consumed by people in billions. People are making shorts in billions and everyone are liking it. People are earning in lakhs after creating shorts. And if you are not interested to do long videos and shoot and edit all the stuffs, then you can start simply shorts. And I have a secret to start shorts. Even it is so easy. You just go on a Snapchat and use filters. In there is also some filters which are very funny. You can use that and you can shoot a short videos, record up from that and just upload on YouTube shorts. It is funny, it is good, people likes it because it's look like edited video. So yeah, you can do it very easily if you don't want to do more hard work on that particular topic. So the last thing is, if we dedicate ourselves towards doing something best, then we can do teaching. Start teaching channel. Start simple things like how to start YouTube, how to make thumbnail, attractive thumbnail, how to edit videos, how to shoot photos, how to do podcast. There's lots of questions that people always search and want to know on YouTube, and even in education sectors. So there are so many niches you can just. And the third is very must you must know these secrets about YouTube before starting YouTube channel. So start scrolling on trading videos, see the views. If the views are good, you can just make using that content, make videos using that content by yourself. You just copy the content and do by yourself. It is also one of the best idea to do YouTube channel, start YouTube channels and get positive review on that. You can analyze the views and you can see people are liking you. So when you started, one thing you have to be very make very clear in your mind continue on this channel. Don't think that you are not getting good review or good results, then you have to quit. So please, I'm requesting you, don't do that. These things take times, and people are, I have seen people like they have made lots of videos, thousands and thousands, and then got viral in one video. And when one video got viral, people also used to see all your history. So be continue and be committed to one things that you wanted to do. Thank you so much. And I have also